Top 5 Best Electric Bikes. Why you should have an electric bike. These bikes run on rechargeable batteries with a motor while taking some of the efforts out of your pedaling. So in today's video we are going to show the top 5 best electric bikes that are perfectly suited for everyday traveling and makes your ride a fun. Urban commuters have to travel a great portion of their everyday trip on buses, subways or trains, which can be a hassle and time consuming. Owning a car can add up gas, parking and other costs, or using Uber for everyday trips can be a challenge for your wallet. So in today's video we are going to show the best 5 electric bikes. Must you have one of them at least. We hope that you will enjoy with us this new technology, which has just entered the market. And do not forget that all links are in the description, whether buying sites or manufacturers. We will also be glad if you like the video to put a like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy watching.
Magicycle all-terrain fat tire electric bikes. Ride without limits. Magicycle Cruiser is ready to bring fun to any rider from town to trails. With gear hub motor 52 volts, 750W torque 86 Nm, higher torque enables you climb on hills without giving a tiring effort. Don't worry about battery. With 52 volts 15Ah, 780 watt-hours, a larger battery enables you travel further on a single charge. Lower current helps reduce the risk of overheating the battery system, resulting in a longer service time. Don't forget charging 52 volts 3A fast charger, 3 to 5 hours charging. A shorter period of charging means that you can spend more time on the trail rather than watching your watch whilst your e-bike charges. Full color LCD screen, add some color your life. It keeps track of speed, battery life, traveled distance and more with the compact, detachable screen. The USB port, allowing you to charge your smartphone from your e-bike's battery. PLACH-TRANSFORMER. Transformable motorbike like monster. If you are tired of regular scooters merely created for the daily commute, SPLACH-TRANSFORMER, aimed at stylish rides and weekend daredevils, will not let you down. PLACH-TRANSFORMER is recreation-oriented for all and can act as an unconventional commuting vehicle. Playful, sporty, versatile, and practical. High torque with various options of customization regarding the stem, casings, and riding modes. You'll definitely turn many heads when riding on this transformable motorbike like monster. The patented proprietary beefy motor delivers great torque up to 960W to take your ride over various terrains, bustling urban jungles, unpaved rail trails, rocky roads, or even 28% incline hills can be zipped up from the crazy boost. Plus the 10x2.5 pneumatic fat tires provide enhanced traction and stability, as well as the superior dual suspension system. They stick you to the route and smooth out the bumps for you. The dual wave disc brakes prevent them from overheating, ensuring the ride-safe non-stop 0.28% hill climbing capability propels you to power through slopes and hills effortlessly. Shred on all terrains for all kinds of exhilarating adventures. 10 inches pneumatic tires are interchangeable, meaning you could choose between road bike tires or off-roading tires, depending on your destination and purpose for the cruise. The front and rear wave disc brakes provide the maximum braking power without compromising safety and stability, as well as prevent brake fade. Fiido X folding electric bike. The future starts here, redefining the aesthetics of electric-powered bicycle design, breaking the conventional cognition. All your imagination will be reflected in Fiido X. It will bring you unprecedented enjoyment in both using experience and unique shape. Could be the perfect bike for all your sports needs. Also can easily solve the problem of daily commuting. Furthermore, it's light and can be folded easily into the trunk. The 4+2 travel combination could help you to unlock more outdoor cycling experience. Fiido X has achieved unprecedented innovation in the industry, which will become the benchmark of the future electric-powered bicycle no matter in appearance or cycling experience. Fiido X continues the cutting-edge product design aesthetics of Fiido, and adopt a minimalist and technological design different from the traditional e-bike. With less exposed lines, lighter and sturdier body, you will enjoy a more pleasant riding experience with easier pedal assisting power and more intelligent cycling control.
PATRIOT Pro, most robust all-terrain e-bike. Power and innovation are realized with a 1500W motor and swiftly activated biometric bike lock. If you're tough and strong, you'll be even so when riding PATRIOT Pro. With this rugged open-air companion, your distinctiveness and toughness can't be boasted more. Inspired by the Iron Man, PATRIOT Pro stands for stronger power propelled by a 1500W motor and futuristic design of the biometric bike lock. You'll feel like riding on a wild beast that can take you wherever you want to go wildly and freely. Speedy acceleration with fat Tri's 26x 3.0-inch forms the robust and reliable adventures, much tougher to handle the rigorous demands of the roads. Wherever it leads you, it stays exactly yours. Your strong personality just got to be matched up with this strong bike. With 1500W motor supplies this wild electric bike with beefy power to get your heart racing. It boosts the ride at a top speed of 31 miles per hour that gives you the pure enjoyment of speed and power. Feel free to ride uphill, downhill or even stairs with full speed hands down. All the speed, all the fun. Advanced built-in fingerprint recognition device doubles the safety and convenience of keeping your PATRIOT. With a touch of your fingerprint on the sensor, the bike is locked and unlocked automatically. Gone are the days of bringing the key or cable lock for this smart keyless access. Not only can this anti-theft system store your fingerprint but a few more of those you share this bike with so that multiple cyclists can be allowed to use it safely. Enjoy this exclusivity that just belongs to you, your friends and family members. PATRIOT isn't only a powerful electric bike but a very comfortable one to ride on as we have both front and rear suspension, which will absorb most of the shocks on the road. This not only gives you a more enjoyable ride but also lets you ride at a high speed without much frequency of braking. Comfort throughout the ride is never sacrificed. Samsung battery 48 volts 14.5Ah battery, looking stealthy and stylish. Moreover, it is removable for easy charging. Lithium battery has the best combination of total weight and capacity. Charging for 4 to 6 hours to get the battery fully charged and you're ready to hit the road. With 3 colors, illuminating yellow, navy blue, USA flag colors. You can choose the tone of color you want for your Rocket e-bike self-charging, 100-mile range electric bike. Ride without limits on a 100-mile range, all-terrain electric bike with regenerative braking and folding frame. Ride into your next adventure on Rocket Electric Bike, the first electric bike with 100-mile range, regenerative braking, all-terrain tires and a compact foldable frame. Commute to work, ride mountain trails or cruise the beach. Rocket Electric Bike takes you anywhere you want to go with ease. Many electric bikes have short range, but not Rocket. Rocket Electric Bike has an industry-leading range of 100 miles thanks to the perfect combination of innovative regenerative braking and a lightweight frame. This beast of a bike is kitted out with highest quality features for maximum performance. Rocket Electric Bike is a faithful steed on long-distance adventures. With a range that's 3x the industry standard,
You can embark on any adventure without worrying about your electric bike dying halfway through. Juice up your battery on the move with Rocket Electric Bike's kinetic energy recovery system that transfers energy to your battery while gliding, braking, or going downhill. Easily fold Rocket Electric Bike in seconds for efficient storing in your car, office, garage, or closet. Jet to your destination at up to 28 miles per hour. Rocket Electric Bike is rear-wheel drive with either a 250W EU bias or 750W US bias engine from Bafang with high torque and uphill efficiency. Plus, it has cruise control. Switch it on and when the bike has the same speed for 5 seconds, it locks in that speed and you turn it off by braking. Rocket Electric Bike is perfect for any rider or occasion. It gives you the freedom to go longer than ever before, over any terrain. This weatherproof ride can tough out the rain, rocky trails and sand, and still give you a smooth city commute. Take this baby to work or on a long biking adventure and trust that you can cruise home when your energy is running low.
We hope that you will enjoy with us this new technology, which has just entered the market. And do not forget that all links are in the description, whether buying sites or manufacturers. We will also be glad if you like the video to put a like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy watching.